Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to find server ID in Watcher of Realms. Finding your server ID in Watcher of Realms is straightforward and can be done directly from your player profile. Open your profile by tapping the top left corner of the main screen, where your player name and account details are displayed. Alongside your account information, you will see unique number. This is your player ID. Next to it, in parentheses, is your server ID, which identifies the specific server you are playing on. For example, if your player ID is displayed as 1360592560042, the number 60042 is your server ID. While you can manage accounts or create a new one to access a different server, the game generally does not allow you to manually select your server. Knowing your server ID is useful for support requests, tracking friends, or understanding where your progress is saved in the game. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.